Alright, so part 2 of this multi-video. We got the door panel off, which would be there. And whoever was in here before didn't know how to remove this. So instead, they actually ended up breaking it right there. So there's a clip right here. And that actually helps with, what is this, the door lock switch? Yeah, this is the lock switch. Sorry, let me get this. Here we go. You see? That's the top one. So it locks and unlocks the door. No, I didn't break it. But this was also off as well. So apparently someone's been in here before. I mean, for 2010, I'm not surprised. So maybe someone broke a window. Who knows? But to remove this, this is the hard one. I mean, you can be careful. The easier bet I'm trying to look for is my little screwdriver that I had. Here we go. It's in my pocket. So right here, you can see a little clip lip right there. You want to put the screwdriver right there and pry sort of out and upward. I can understand why he broke it. It's a bad angle. What would have been easier if he just squeezed these tabs. Let's see if we can get these on video. See those little tabs? You can sort of squeeze in. That would have released it out of this plastic that would have been there to get it out of the way. But who knows? It wasn't there. It wasn't me. So anyway, let's continue on. This guy clips on to the rod, which is this one. That just clips on. Same thing. Same screwdriver. Just pop them off. And then this guy, same thing. This guy and this guy just sort of rotate onto the end of each handle and lock mechanism. So you put it in between the cable, pry upward. Same with this, pry upward, and it just releases out of here. So a lot of it is tension, just snapping in. But being careful will avoid this. Again, I didn't do it, but either way, gotta get the door panel off to get to the mirror. So a mirror and to do the harness. So let's get this out of the way. Get the door panel out of the way. And that's it. You got 8, 8, 8. And that should pop the mirror right off. Unclip here. And there you have it. So that's the mirror. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.